Now number 9 gave us the equation and wanted us to find the zeros. Number 10 is going to give you the zeros. They want you to find the equation. So the kind of shortcut way to do this would be to go through A, B, C, and D and enter them into your y equals and see which one matches these points. Okay, so I'm looking at x is -5 when y is 0, x is -1 when y is 0, and x is 4 when y is 0. So that's one way to do it. The other way is to kind of build the equation working backwards. So if x equals a -5, that came from x plus 5. And if x equals a -1, that came from x plus 1. And if x equals a +4, that came from x minus 4. So I know that this is my equation. I'm kind of, again, working backwards. Where did these numbers come from? And then what you have to do is FOIL. Okay, so that would give me x squared plus x plus 5x plus 5. But that's still being multiplied here. So you'd have to FOIL again. This one's a little harder to do because you got to keep track of a lot more. So I like to use the box method. I don't know if you guys have done that before with another teacher, but it's just a nice way to kind of keep it organized. So x times x squared is x cubed. 6x times 6x times x is 6x squared, and then 5 times x. And then here, x squared times a -4. 6x times -4, 5 times -4 is -20. And this is nice because it shows you your like terms as well. So your final answer is going to be x cubed, 6 minus 4 is 2, x squared, -24 plus 5, let's see, it's going to be a -19, x minus 20. So there's my final answer. So again, what did I do? I wrote down my zeros. X is -5, -1, and 4, so that came from x plus 5, x plus 1, x minus 4, and then we're just multiplying everything by everything else, basically. And again, if that's too intimidating, or you just feel like, oh, that's just, more than I want to do, you can enter in A, B, C, and D here. So let's just check our work. We had x to the third plus 2x squared minus 19x minus 20. And then let's look at our table and just make sure, okay, I got a -5, a -1, and a 4. So that's confirming that C is my right answer.